We had a really awesome day of cycling yesterday. We went up Grey Creek Pass, which is allegedly the highest road in Canada. We lost something like 1,400 or 1,500 meters of elevation on our way down. Beautiful day out today. We'll be taking the ferry over here to Belfour and then riding up to Nelson, where we'll probably take a day off. And yeah, it should be a great day for some riding. Some big climbs on the pavement up to Castlegar. It is cooking today. We are about 13 or 15K from the summit, and then a nice breezy downhill to Christina Lake. So we've seen a few bears on this trip so far. A couple of grizzlies, a couple of black bears. Most of them are pretty small and juvenile, so not too busy. They kept their distance. But yesterday, about 3 kilometers before we got to camp, I saw a big cougar run across the road. And that was pretty scary.
got about another 50 kilometers to Midway. And tomorrow morning I'll be meeting my parents who will be driving up to say hello. Haven't seen them in quite some time because of the pandemic. It's pretty scorching out today. Almost 35 degrees Celsius. Whew.
Hey Mom,
Hey, Kelly.
thanks for the snacks.
You're welcome. Safe travels, buddy.
Do a rain dance for me. Yeah.
Hey, what's up? Made it here to Arlington Lake. They have a couple of beautiful sites here for hiker-biker. Did about 90 kilometers today, so quite a long day in the saddle. But big shout out to Mom and Dad for the sandwiches and the baking that kept us going. Thanks, Mom and Dad.